Hello friends, I am here Sujata Priya of class 11th to explain you the chemistry practical procedure, the qualitative analysis. I am going to explain you for magnesium nitrate. I will not explain you the all the steps what you have to do. That means you don't know which anion and which cation is present in the given salt. You have to find it in the exam. You do it stepwise. First do carbonate, then another, that is chloride nitrate, then sulfate, any one you will get. Okay, I will explain that magnesium, when you find magnesium, that means nitrate will be there as an anion, and cation will, magnesium will be the cation. I will explain you directly, but in the exam you have to do it, because you don't know which anion and cation is present, so do it properly, just find it one by one. For anion, prepare sodium carbonate extract. Take a test tube, add one spatula of the salt, given salt, and two spatula of sodium carbonate. Add distilled water, boil, then cool and filter. After filtering the solution which you get in your test tube, that is called sodium carbonate extract. As I have told you before, we are going to see for the magnesium nitrate. So we are going to see about nitrate. First, take a test tube, add the given salt, that means 1 or 2 spatula, then concentrated hydrosulfuric acid. Heat, and you will find evolution of a reddish brown gas is forming. That means that reddish brown gas is nitrogen dioxide. It means the presence of nitrate is there. And then to the same mixture, that means salt plus concentrated H2SO4 and heated you have done, add copper turnings. You have found brown fumes, which is very dark in color. It is intensified. The presence of nitrate is there. Then for another confirmation, you take test tube, the sodium carbonate extract which you made, take small amount of it in a test tube, utilized with dilute H2SO4, that means add dilute H2SO4 and FeSO4 solution. Then concentrated H2SO4, just side by side, don't pour it in between, side with the boundaries of the test tube. Okay, then don't shake it. Okay, then you will find a brown ring, brown color ring will be formed. That means presence of nitrate is confirmed. For cations, we have to prepare the original solution. First, second and third, three methods are there. Follow any one, you will find that your salt will be dissolved in any of this. Okay, that means take a test tube, add 1 or 2 spatula of the salt, add distilled water. If it dissolves, okay, then if not, then proceed with the other two methods, same like that. For cations, you have to do group 0 also, but I will not explain you because I know that is the group 0 is absent. So I will directly follow the group 6 which is present in it. But you have to do all the other things, that is from group 0 to group 5 you have to follow. You will not get any precipitate, but you will get in group 6 because magnesium is present in it. So for group 6, take a test tube, add small amount of original solution, then solid ammonium chloride, ammonium hydroxide, um, then mix and take the three parts. That means two more test tubes, and half of it in other, half or not, small amount of it in other parts, and another part of the test tube. To one part add NH4 to CO3. Then you have to filter it. You will get a white precipitate. In the filter paper you will get after filtering, and that is group 5 is present. But there is no group 5 present, there will be group 6 present. To the another part you will add Na2HPO4 Then after filtering you will get white precipitate, that is group 6 is present. Okay, in which you get white precipitate after adding Na2HPO4, that is group 6, and in which you get white precipitate after adding NH4 to CO3, that means group 5 is present. Then group 6 procedure is like this. Analysis of group 6 we are going to see. Take a test tube, small amount of original solution, pour in it, solid ammonium chloride, ammonium hydroxide, divide it in 2 parts. You can say that the third part which you before dividing you have taken in this you have divided 3 parts. One part you have used, and second part also you have used. The third part you can use for the procedure of group 6. To the third part you just divide it also in another 2 parts. Okay, 2 parts in the sense you just take one part to the another test tube and second part in another test tube. To the one part add Na2HPO4 solution. You will find white precipitate, that means presence of magnesium. Then to the another part add ammonium phosphate solution. You will get white precipitate, presence of magnesium is confirmed. That's all for this video. We have seen for the salt, that is magnesium nitrate. If you like my explanation, then please like, subscribe and share.